Hello and welcome to my channel. In this captivating tutorial, we unveil the art of crafting a stunning coiled wire necklace. For this jewelry, we'll be using something you probably have lying around at home, a Biro case. So let's dive right in. To uncover expert tips, tricks and personalized touches that will take your coiled wire necklace from ordinary to extraordinary, be sure to stick around until the end of the video. We begin by measuring a length of 0.20 mm wire using your big toe and hands, about 20 inches long. Wrap it around your toe 6 times, then cut and twist both ends. Next, you want to wrap the wire around the Biro case to coil it. This will be the base of our necklace. This tutorial guides you through the intricate process of processing ordinary wire into beautifully coiled works of art. At the end of this video, I will share some tips to help you with your project. Continue to wrap until you have coiled the wire length. Then, carefully slide the coiled wire off the Biro case. It should hold its coiled shape. Now, take a length of 0.315 mm wire and pass it through the coils. Secure it by tying it off twice. And then, this is where the magic is. You flatten the wire with your fingers to keep everything in place. Thread the ends through the front and add a bead of choice. This is a 6 mm red crystal bead. Cross the wires behind the bead. Bring them back to the front and then twist to secure. Cut the excess wire and use your round nose pliers to gently curve the twisted back to the wire upwards. This ensures no sharp edge could bother the wearer. Repeat these steps until you have enough pieces for your necklace. Feel free to get creative with designs and spacing of the beads. Continue repeating the earlier steps until you have enough pieces for the sides of your necklace. But for the centerpiece, we are going to add a unique twist. For the bead design in the middle, instead of the Biro Case, we'll use a spool of sewing thread. Just like before, wrap the 0.20 mm wire around the spool to give it a bigger and bolder coil. This will make our centerpiece stand out, giving your necklace that eye-catching appeal. Repeat as we did earlier. Pass the 0.315 mm wire through the coiled wire and tie. Then, flatten with your hands. Attach your beads and ensure the wire is neatly twisted. Now let's use a coiling gizmo to make rings, and from those we'll cut jump rings, that's the gizmo coiled wire, using the 0.90 mm wire. This will be used to join all our pieces together. Now go ahead and cut it to separate the rings. So we'll be using the jump rings to connect each coiled wire piece. Adjust the length as you like. Arrange them around the centerpiece to balance the look. Adjust the length as you like for a perfect fit. Now I'm joining two small pieces together. Open your jump rings with your pliers and then insert them, then close the jump rings. Now these are images of the necklace being joined from the centerpiece with rings. Attach your hook with the 0.90 mm wire. The hook is done using the 0.90 mm wire. And there you have it, your very own handmade coiled wire necklace with a stunning centerpiece made from a sewing thread spool. Now, here are the tips. Pay attention to the finishing of your coiled pieces. When wrapping your wires around your foot, be mindful to keep them from tangling. If the wires become tangled, it can lead to a messy coiled wire result. Take care to maintain a steady and controlled wrapping motion to ensure smooth and uniform coils in your wire jewelry. Another crucial tip: when wrapping the wire around the biro case or your foot, avoid overlapping the wire strands. Keeping the wire flat and evenly spaced ensures that your coils will be uniform and neat. Lastly, ensure your wire is neatly tied to prevent any scattered or messy work. Take the time to secure the wire tightly and cleanly, as this will contribute to the overall elegance and cohesiveness of your coiled wire jewelry. These small details can elevate the overall appearance of your handmade jewelry. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more creative DIY projects. See you next time.